In the first part, we will describe PET. What is PET? Some of you may not have heard of it. PET is a middleware. You could say it's our product's SDK. It's a bit like a driver, responsible for accessing hardware resources through it. PET, much like Intel's One API, aims to enable customers to access different hardware through a uniform software interface. PET has various functions, such as obtaining the current versions of BIOS and EC. It can read various temperatures, voltages, and fan speeds. It can also read or set various I/O interfaces such as GPIO or I2C. Let me demonstrate how PET operates. Typically, when a customer's program needs to access hardware resources, it requires different I/O, addresses, and sequences based on the hardware design. Different hardware has distinct configurations. By providing PET to customers, they can focus on making requests to PET, and PET will handle the complex procedures. This way, there's no need to worry about the differences between hardware. In fact, the development of PET predates eAPI, but currently, it also supports eAPI. So don't worry, whether it's in the format of PET or eAPI, PET can effectively perform related actions. PET comes with comprehensive documentation, a graphical user interface for management, sample programs, and supports mainstream Windows and Linux systems, including both 32-bit and 64-bit versions. This is the documentation of PET, providing detailed information on each API's parameters and functions. It also includes simple examples for users' reference. This is the graphical user interface for PET, allowing users to intuitively access hardware. It is available in both Linux and Windows versions, catering to customers on different platforms. This is a ready-made example program for PET, which can be used as a test program. Our example program includes the complete source code and compilation scripts. Customers can quickly modify it to suit their own needs. PET is very special. All hardware and operating systems are supported by a single software package, setting it apart from other vendors. This means that any later modifications can be applied to previous models as well. This ensures that even older products remain updated and compatible. With PET, customers don't need to modify the program when replacing hardware due to hardware differences. The program remains unchanged, regardless of how the hardware is replaced.